Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. I have this 2017 Cadillac CTS. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick. Alright, stay tuned. Shout outs to everybody in the building. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Anything you want to say about this car, put in the comment box. Maybe there's people that want to buy this car. Your input could change their minds. Show you how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life. Shout outs to everybody in the building from Japan to Thailand, Spain, Italy. I know, come on, bro. They call me Donald Trump with the pirates. I'm not gonna hold you up. I'll show you how to do this real quick. Come on. Waka waka. My bad. I forgot to tell you though. This is the third generation facelift. From 2017 and 2019, this is a facelift. But from 2014 and 2016, that's a third generation, but no facelift. If you have this video is for those that have a car between 2014 and 2019. You know what I'm saying? Long short story. You know what I'm saying? So yo, you wondering what type of tools I'm using? You can find it right here, right below this video. There's a list of the tools that I use here. Check it out. You will see different brands, prices. When you click on the one you like, maybe Home Depot is gonna sell it to you, Target, depending. Alright, so any tools that I used in this video is right below. The other way you can support the channel is by clicking on the super thanks. Show your love, go through it, do your thing. Pretty much. Alright, let's do this. Come on. See you, baby. No games. You're gonna come down here. Here's the lever to open the hood. Alright, right below the steering wheel. Gravy. So you're gonna come over here. Here's the latch. Right there. You don't need to hold the hood though, because you have those pistons over there. Engine oil cap right here. It says 530. It's gonna be synthetic, full synthetic. Alright, what we got here? Battery auxiliary, fuses. It tells you right there. You know what I'm saying, different coolant reservoir, brake fluid reservoir, engine oil filter. Look at this baby. You got the intake. What is that? Turbo supercharged. Okay. Windshield fluid reservoir. Alright. Coming down here, right here, is the oil drain plug. Okay. And right here is the oil filter. Okay, so let's do that. I think this is gonna be 15mm socket. 15mm for this. Gosh, I don't want to get the oil on the camera, so because I know it's gonna hit the camera. Okay, unless I hold it. Got you right here, cool. Sometimes you gotta hold the camera, you know what I'm saying? Ready? Let's see if it was gonna touch my camera. Oh yeah, definitely. My camera would be like right now, like soaking wet. That's how it looks like though. What you think about that? I was gonna say it's a Jami. Do you think you can use another 3,000 miles? What you think? Let me know. Put it in the comment box. Hey, like I said before, if you didn't hear the first time, right below you can see the tools that I use. Okay, the tools and some extra stuff that you might need, like a windshield fluid, brake fluid, rags and stuff like that. But everything you see right here, the ratchet, the socket, is right below here. you see the products. You click on that, it's gonna take you to a Home Depot, Target, depending on what are you buying. You know what I'm saying? So now you know. Yeah, that's a good thing too. You don't have to go extra mile to look for whatever you need. You know what I'm saying? You just right here, right below this screen, you see it. I think if you're using a cell phone, you can scroll to the side and you'll see more. You have up to 30 items, okay? So that's a good thing too. Like I say, all the items that I'm using here for this job, you can find it right below this screen. Alright? You don't have to go the extra mile, like I said. Being that said, oof. Let it flow. Something now. Pause. On this side, the oil doesn't look that This burn. Put the oil drain plug back. You know what I'm saying? Tied it. It's up to you if you want to leave it longer. Keep the oil pan draining. It's up to you. Maybe you want to leave it until you change your filter. Yeah, it's up to you. I will do this to my car. Yeah. Here you gotta wipe the where the oil filter sits. You saw the brand so far. Maybe the part number 2, Pro Tune, and part number is a little bit long. Pause. I'll give it to you in a second. Let me tie this. I don't want to go away until I tie this. I'm gonna say it again. The tools that I'm using here, you can find them right below this screen, this video. You see the products, you see the items, the ratchet extension, the oil filter tool, maybe a bucket, additional items that you might need like a rag is down there. And that's it. Okay, make sure everything's tight, snug it. This one by hand, okay? Don't do it with tool, you might damage it. 50mm right here. Okay, we'll get you. We're down. This is the part number, okay, for the oil filter. Alright, nice. It's gonna tell you other brands and the number, the part number for this car. Alright, that's good. Good to know. Pro Tune. 530 synthetic, right? 530 synthetic coming right up. Oh yeah, definitely. 6 quarts, full synthetic. Not playing with you, bro. Right there. It's supposed to be right there. You see the oil, right? It's me! Put the oil cap back. And we're Gucci. We're Gucci. Let's do the oil life reset, man. Alright, and this baby is running right now, okay? You know how to start the car. Come on, go. Here, all you're gonna do is use this, okay? Right, left, up, down, okay? So what we're gonna do is, if you press if you press right, it's gonna go in the middle. If you press right, it's gonna go there. Then right there, you scroll down, okay, until you see oil life. Okay, of course I did it already. All right, all you gotta do once you get there, this baby right here, press it and hold it. It's gonna take like 10 seconds, and then you're gonna hit a beep. Alright, and it's gonna go to 100%. It's not gonna do it because I just did it. We'll see. There you go. You see that? My bad. For talking, you didn't even hear it. You hear it? Let me do it again. I'm just gonna press this. Press it and hold it. Shut up. There you go. You see what I'm saying? So right there, that thing's gonna turn 100%, and then you Gucci. Alright? Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. It was like how to do the oil change and reset the oil life in this baby 2017 CTS Cadillac. You know what I'm saying? My little right here, right? You know how to do. Support the channel, subscribe, like, share, comment. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. The other way you can support the channel right here. There's a heart, super tense. Click on that, go through it, do your thing, show your love. You know what I'm saying? Contribute to the channel. You know what I'm saying? And over here, I'm gonna say it again. All the items, all the tools, and extra stuff that you might need, I'll put it right below here. It says view products. You can click on that, or right below that you see all that. You have like 30 options to pick, to choose from. Know what I'm saying? 30 options, like the tools, the stuff that you might need for this project and all that. Know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do that with all my videos. All right, so tune up good. I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy Axtuo.